Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. It's Zila Trader, and today we are going to talk about, well, just chart analysis. Okay, so Euro USD, on one of my videos, Let's Talk Naked Forex. I put a link in the description for it as well, and somewhere it should pop up somewhere around here later on in the video near the end. I When I done this analysis the other day, I said we was in a clear uptrend all the way, and we had this big order block here that we had noticed. We had the trend support line, 50% line, and then your trend resistance line that had been playing off very nicely, even with the wicks and the candles itself. So I marked up this order block area. You see where it's dropped down, it's hit to the trend support. And my prediction, or well, my probability that I said was that if it comes off this trend line and breaks this order block area, we're looking at the market to carry on in this uptrend. That was what I had put on the video, that's what I'd said on the video. I'd also noticed that there was a big consolidation range here that I spoke about that played out, and I also noticed that there was a bit of consolidation range around here, and I'd placed them. So if you just watch the other video, you'll see the other analysis that the markups that I'd done, and it's pretty much identical to this. And what I said is that we was in a clear uptrend from the 24th of April all the way up. I've rewound this a little bit just so you can see how it's played out. So the probability of the market is that it's in an uptrend, so it's hit this trend support and it's going to push up into this resistance zone of the consolidation area, and if it goes through there, then it's going to carry on with that uptrend. But the other probability of outcome of what I said would happen is that it's going to come into this ascending wedge pattern here that you can see. This is a big ascending wedge pattern, and it's going to hit this consolidation block. It's not going to have enough buying power to get through, and what's going to happen is that it's going to drop right out, drop straight out of this trend and create a new downtrend all the way down. Okay, that was my I don't like saying prediction because you can't predict what's happening. Prediction is just a guess. It's not. It's just an estimation. It is literally a guesstimation. You can't tell the future. If you can, you're clearly not doing the lottery correctly. But the probability of this happening was quite high because it's a very well-known pattern, the ascending wedge. You've got a very strong consolidation block here, this golden zone, and if it hasn't got enough force to get through, the probability is the fact that it's going to lose power on this trend support line and just drop out. That's what I said on the previous video as well, about 2 days ago. And let's just click play and see how it plays out, shall we? So it's coming off the trend support, it's going up to go into this consolidation resistance area. Support's giving it good enough support, and there we go. So if we just look at this, you can see it's broke trend support. It's then come down and touched this golden zone with the wick, retraced up, and when this is opened as a new candle, it shot back into the trend zone, hit this consolidation block, touched it with a wick, and then look at this massive drop out of the ascending wedge. And like I said on my other video as well, this would have been your TP1, this would have been your TP2. That is a lot of profit. Let's just mark this one up. 82 pips. 82 pips within an hour. You could have even caught that with a sell limit up there, 97 pips, pretty much. Yeah, 97 pips there. You know, that is a that's a quick bit of money in 1 hour, simply from marking the charts, reading the charts correctly, and seeing how it goes. The drawback, obviously, when you've got this uptrend and we've got this probability of it going back up, all you would have to do is you would have just put a buy stop here on the top of this consolidation range. So if it did have enough power to get through off this trend support, get through this consolidation block, if it went through this and it had enough power, it would have hit your buy stop and you would have been in profit, no problem. But for the fact that you would have also placed a sell limit here, if it didn't break through, it would have come back down, and just like it has, 97 pips and still counting, it's still dropping. Okay, this is a very harsh drop, a very harsh drop. I'll just run it through there. That's the new trend by the looks of it. This is live right now, 10:30 GMT time. Okay, yeah, so that is the general look. I'm going to mark up this chart again later, see how it goes, see if we're going to get a bounce back into trend, or if it's going to carry on with this downtrend and this is going to be the new trend channel. Roughly something like that. It's going to come up, hit this consolidation zone, come back down, play around in the 50 most probably, and then drop out again. A lot of news coming up as well. Dollar's going to get weaker or stronger dependent. Red news, you know, makes a big difference on Forex. Okay, but thanks for watching anyway. I'll put the link in the for the other video to watch, just so you can see that I'm not lying. I did mark this up correctly the other day before this even played out. So yeah, enjoy the video. Have a good day. Thank you.